Hello students, today I am not here to solve any questions and explain any queries of your textbook. I have found a question. This is the question. ABCD is a rectangle having AB equal to XCM. Let me explain the question. ABCD is a rectangle whose length is XCM. This is XCM, and BC, that is the breadth of the rectangle, YCM, and AXB and CYD are two semicircles drawn on the sides of the length, that is AB and CD, two semicircles drawn on the length AB and CD, and they intersect each other at point P and Q. These two semicircles intersect each other at point P and Q. Now we have to find the area of the shaded region, that is the area of this shaded region. So I have found this question somewhere, and I thought just 5 minutes before I have found this question, and I thought I must share this question among my students so that they can put pressure on their brains to find the solution of this question. And I hope you will find the solution, and if you find the solution, write answer in the comment box. Okay, and I will wait your answers for next 4 or 5 days, and after 4 or 5 days I will solve this question. Okay, so you try this question. Let me explain the question again. ABCD is a rectangle. The length of rectangle AB is XCM. Suppose this may be 7 cm, 10 cm, any. And BC is YCM. And two semicircles AXB and CYD intersect each other at point P and Q. And we have to find the area of this shaded egg-like structure. We have to find the area of this egg-like structure. So you try and solve this question and put your answer in the comment box. Your answer should be in terms of X and Y. That's all. You try and solve this question and put your answer in the comment box. Thank you very much.